It's official, 2020 cars are and 2021 cars are rolling off the line. What's going on, guys? Matt over here, Lethal Garage, and today there's some news. 2021 Camaros are now in full production at Lansing Green River. So if you guys didn't know, the Camaro 6th generation, it's what, 2021, so we're starting the third year of the refresh model. So in 2019 they refreshed it, 2020 they kind of made a change mid-year, and then later 2021 now it's just, it is what it is. We got the LT1, they made some changes, like the SS1LE package can be had with an automatic, all sorts of other changes. If you guys didn't see that video, look in the upper right hand corner, I'll link to it, went over all those details. But as of right now, 2020 cars are done. The last of them are on the lots, are in transit to dealerships across the country, and now 2021 cars are coming off the line, going to sit on the lot. I don't know if it's going to be like it was in 16, where there's going to be the initial cars coming off the line and they're going to be on hold and all that other stuff and then get released. I don't know how that works in the transition year to year, because the car is the same. They didn't really change anything per se, body wise or panel wise or power wise, motors, drivetrain, all that stuff. So I guess the 1LE automatic, but that's really not changing much. So they're already making cars with a 1LE suspension and all those options. So, but the big news here is 2021 cars are rolling off the line. Now, what's happening after 2021? Well, the rumor is GM will continue to build the car in 2022 and 2023, and then that's going to be the end of Camaro. No one actually knows if that's true. I think we will see another hiatus in Camaro, and I think the next generation or the next variant, or maybe not even a Camaro, or the next something will be coming in 2025. So GM's rolling out their all new hybrid electric platform or full electric platforms. Maybe we'll see Camaro that's a hybrid of sorts. Maybe we'll see a full electric Camaro. I've made quite a few videos around that stuff, so I'm not going to bore you with all those details, but really I just wanted to come out, talk about the new 2021 Camaros. They're out, they're coming, and you'll be seeing them at dealers soon. So if you're in the market for 2021, get your orders in. Order banks are wide open. The problem is allocation. Can the dealers get them? I know my dealer here in Paradise, or in Temecula, Paradise Chevrolet, they've been having a heck of a time getting Camaros, and their lot is just empty. They have no cars, and they're making a push right now because C7 cars are gone. There's no easy model to get that's a sports car right now. C8s are impossible to get. Well, they're not impossible to get, but you're not going to a dealership and seeing 20 different C8s. So dealerships are wanting to stock more Camaros because it's a sports car of sorts, and they really position the 6th generation as a sports car, and it's a car I think they can start moving now that the C7s are basically gone off the lots as far as new cars. You can get C7s via used car sales, and I'm sure there's still some dealers that have C7s on the lot, but overall it's slim pickings at this point. So it's really a great opportunity for people to get into a Camaro. It's a great opportunity for GM to stock their lots with these cars, especially the SSs or even the new LT1s with V8s. I think they can move quite a bit more cars now that the C7 is out of the picture, and the C8s are still really hard to get. So that's my take. Either or, thanks for checking out the video. There's more Camaros coming at least for another year. We'll see if it keeps going into 2022, 2023, like some people have rumored. Some people think this is the last year, but we'll find out. We'll find out if there's news or updates in 2022. How cool would it be if they put an LT5 and an LT2 in the SS and the ZL1 for 2022 and 2023? I don't think they have the teams to do it, but would be pretty cool if they did do it. Either or, thanks for checking out the video. Until next time, see you on the road.